control this machine. You can see here, this is the steering cylinder to control. You can see here when I move here, see here the steering move. I think the steering inside, and then the thing move. I can press there, I can move there, I can press there. So okay, now you can see if I push back, both wheel will turn and then the car will move back. You see? If I push, it go in front, it move forward. Then you run backward, onward, forward. So now let me show you how I control the shower. This is a shower, it's controlled. So when I push the joystick, left, it go up. When I push the joystick right, it go down. When I push the joystick up, it move up. When I push down, when I push the joystick down, it also move down. So you can see here, when I push right again, it move up. When I press this button, it increase the power. So when I will push and then I will turn left, so it will go down slowly, and then suddenly when I release, the motor start again. You see, it's a kind of speed controller. Now okay, so what again can I show you? So let us check how I control the okay, I think it's everything there. You can see here. Okay, I have to show you something, how I'm recording this thing. So you can see here, this camera, this small things here, it's a camera to film what I am doing in front. And you can see here back where you can see the wheel. This is a TPO wheel that I printed last time. So here is this external hydraulic connection. This one, these two, I can use this tool to connect another machine behind. So that I can have this. These are the two hydraulic connection. So when I want to connect the machine, I just remove this part and connect all these two pipes. Okay, so I think we have everything. Here you see how where the battery is located. Here this is the battery for this, and this is the cylinder. Okay, let us take a look in the controller. See. controller. When I press here, everything turn off, even the motor. You can see here. Let us check together. When I press, you can see it go there. One time it stops. You see the motor stops. Okay. Once I start, I have to decrease the speed. Start. You see here, starting now. I turn this button to this knob. This knob is to start the motor. You can hear. This is very high speed motor, and you can see on the screen you have the possibility to see the pump. I don't know how to see there. It's showing the pump in percentage. You see, I decrease, it decrease, I decrease, I decrease, and the noise also decrease. So when I increase, the noise increase, it means the pump is rotating very fast, and the pressure is also very high inside. Okay, now I am going to test again. You see, high speed high, means it moves very fast. You can see here, I will just touch the things. You see, it will go down, go up, go down, go up, go down. Okay, go back, go fast. Okay, now that thing's done. Let us check what is inside the motor, inside the car.